Hey guys, Patrick Romain here. I'm with the ROVI team here in Connecticut, and today we're in Simsbury at my favorite restaurant, Farley Mac's. The reason why I picked this place is because, for one, it's 5 minutes from my house, and it's just a really cool, chill place to come have a drink and some really amazing food. My wife and I started coming here in early 2021. Like, we felt like family as soon as we walked in. The owner, Kevin, he came up to our table. He goes by to every table and he's like, hey, welcome back. This your first time? He's always interacting with his clients, and that's one thing I love about this place. Literally makes my mouth water every time. It's so good.
Well, back on August 1st, 2009, I was the best man at the wedding, and I spoke to the father bride, and we started talking about opening a restaurant together. In 2019, Mac passed away, and Amy, his daughter, and Fred, my best friend, in about February, reached out to me and said, we remember the conversation you had at the wedding with her father, and we want to keep this dream alive, so we want to invest with you in a restaurant. A few weeks after that, this place came up for sale. Amy had flown up for something for her father and came in here, looked around, says this has got to be a sign. And on March 6, 2020, we signed our lease, named the Farley Macs. That's when me and Brian McNamara. When we opened up, it was just two Irish guys own the bar. The goal for the business is to give the customers something different that is not around here, like the comfort food. I want to give them experience. I have grilled cheese bites with tomato soup that my mom made us 7 kids every Saturday night. So that's my goal, is just to make sure that people can come out here and enjoy. I haven't changed my menu really in 2.5 years because it really sells very well. Yeah, so if I can build this area back up, make it a destination point, knock on wood, hopefully it happens. That's it?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, now take two. This place sucks.
Hi, thank you guys for hanging out with me today. Once again, if you're ever in the area of Simsbury and you're looking for a super cool, chill place to come hang out and have a great meal, an awesome drink, and just sit down and hang out with your friends, definitely think of Farley Mac's. If you're looking to buy, sell, or just want some general knowledge of the market or, consultation or anything, just feel free to call me. Thank you once again for hanging out with me today.